Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use data table. So with the help of data table, we will prepare a EMI calculator on Excel. So let's see how it works. So I'll show you a ready-made format first. So basically this is the data table used in this. We have principal amount as a loan, number of years, interest amount, and then the monthly EMI which has been calculated. And in this you are seeing the numbers. This is the number of years for which the loan has been taken, and this is the principal amount. So with the help of data table, how we will prepare this table? Let's suppose, if for example I want to know, suppose I'm taking a loan of 1 lakh rupee for 1 year with a interest amount of 21%, then the monthly interest would be 9,322 rupees point 90 paise. Likewise, if I want to know if I'm taking a loan of 9 lakh rupees or suppose 7 years, so how it will calculate? So we'll see 9 lakh rupees for 7 years, for example. So my monthly EMI would be 20,062.94. So likewise, I can calculate the amount, years, and the interest rate. So in this table, suppose one more example, if I am taking a loan of 4 lakh rupees for let's suppose 5 years, then the monthly EMI would be 10,875 rupees point 45 paise. So we will understand how to prepare this table with the help of Excel, with the help of data table. So this is a sheet which has been ready. So suppose if I'm putting a loan amount of 1 lakh rupee, here I'm entering the detail of 1 year, and the interest amount again I'm keeping it as 21%. Now here for calculating EMI, we will take PMT function. So how does PMT function works? It is very simple. It is equal to PMT open bracket. Now here if you see the rate is asked, so your rate of interest would be 21%. This rate of interest is for a year, so we will divide this by 12, comma, what is the duration of this interest, or what is the duration of this loan? So it is 1 year multiplied by 12 months, comma, and the amount. Now the amount we will take it in minus, negative. If I click enter and I want to remove this dollar sign, so I'll go in home page. I click on the comma, so the dollar sign has been removed. Now here I'm referencing this cell. Now I want to know if I'm taking a loan of 5 lakh rupees for 7 years, so how much would be the calculation? So for this we will use a data table. So I'll select the entire table in this form and go in what if analysis, goal table. It is asking for row input cell. So the row input cell would be 1 and column input cell. So here I will select the principal amount via cell and then I will click OK. So here if you see, with one click I'm getting the entire detail of loan as well as the EMI and as well as with the detail of principal amount. So with this help of data validation, data table, you can prepare a EMI calculator in Excel, which is very simple. You can use this, and if you like this, you can share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much.